So, quick question. Can I name this hurricane after me? Oh, technically it'd be a hurricane, wouldn't it? This? Oh my god! What the heck is happening right now? You probably can't see it, but the rain is coming down harder than you would believe. Oh my god. I've never actually seen a hurricane before, but I'm pretty sure it looks something like this. That's terrifying. Oh, and that lake over there is forming. That's nice. And our little retention pond's probably flooded by now. Oh well, I'll probably update later, maybe. Maybe not. I don't know, and I don't care, honestly. As long as I can live after this. I mean, I don't want to die. I got stuff to do.